Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a simple program to calculate simple interest by taking the principal amount, number of years and percent rate from the user. So in this program we'll take three inputs from the user and will return what is the simple interest according to those values. So first thing you should know that the formula for simple interest will be principal amount into rate of interest into number of years divided by 100. So first let us declare some variable float variables rate of interest, let's say a rate, and year and principal and SI will represent the simple interest. So we have declared four variables of float type, that is rate, year, principal. These three variables we are going to take from the user, and this variable we will store the answer or result, you can say. So first we print the statement. We have to specify to the user that enter principal amount and by scanf we'll take the input %f comma address of principal, and we will copy the same for the other two variables also. We'll change something in enter rate of interest. Rate of interest, and here we will change the variable as rate. Again copy the same, enter years, here also year. We have taken three inputs from the user by mistake. We have taken three input from the user, and let us now calculate value of simple interest, that is SI will be P multiply R multiply N divided by 100 semicolon. But if you have watched my previous tutorials on arithmetic operator, then you get to know that whenever we have such expression in which multiply and divide operator are present, then we start our calculation from left to right. That means first these two were multiplied and the result will be multiplied by this, and then the whole result will be divided by 100. So this should not be the approach, because if you have calculated simple interest, then you know that whenever we calculate simple interest, we first multiply P into R into N and then divided by 100. So for this purpose we want that these three should be multiplied first, and then 100 should be divided by the result. So for that purpose we will use round brackets here. Why round brackets? Because by putting round brackets, what happens, the precedence will be given to this operation. That means first the multiplication process will be done, and then the result will be divided by 100, and the final result will be stored in SI or simple interest. So we'll see what will be the output by printing printf value of SI is percent %f comma SI, and let us see what will be the output. P into R into N, here should be principal, my mistake, principal into rate into N in part of N, year should be there, YEAR, year should be there. So now I think the code will run. Enter principal amount. Let's say I'm putting 5,000 here, and rate of interest is 3%, and enter years as, let's say, 2 years. So what I am expecting, 5,000 into 3 into 2, that means 5,000 into 6, 30,000 divided by 100, that means 300 as answer. And you can see that we are getting the same answer, 300.000. And what if we don't apply the round brackets here? And let's see what will be the output for the 5,000, rate of interest 3, number of years 2, and we are getting the same output. So this may be correct for this only, but whenever we have such problem, when we have to do some calculation before other, then we should apply round brackets to give the precedence to the other. So this is it for now. Thank you for watching.